Are you glad that's over?
Do not throw something else again or we can.
Yeah, okay. Oh, there's little Piper asleep. Oh, is all that wrecking harmful to the puppy? Oh, I'd hope so. And my baby just a-sleeping. Oh, look at her. She is just the cutest little thing in the world. I'm gonna wiggle. You do the wiggle. Come on, say something, Lazy. She likes bacon. She likes to be upside down. She likes to be around. She likes to be with her big sissy. Oh. Yeah, I get that a lot.